My brother, look, this is why you wear gloves. It's bleeding. Wait. Yeah, it's bleeding. Oh my freaking God. This is why you wear gloves at boxing when you train. When you train that. Because look, you could hit your hand over here. Yeah, that's a very ouchy part. Oh no, this is my childhood nightmare. I don't wanna get alcohol. I don't wanna get alcohol, my brother. Oh no, I don't want to get alcohol. Oh no, I don't want to get alcohol. Oh my God. God. Oh, my hand shaking. Is this okay? Is that okay now? I need more cotton. I need more cotton. Where is it? Oh no. Oh no, the table. It's broken. Oh my God. It's still bleeding. Oh my freaking God. I will never forget this. My childhood nightmare. Oh no. That's the blood. This is why you wear gloves. Don't do like me. My brother, I have gloves. So wear gloves. Eh, eh, oh. Oh wait, I have this thing. It's wait, it's kinda like dark. Look.